Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add muffled effect to your audio in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see I have imported my audio to this CapCut project. And if we want to add muffled effect to this audio, first thing first, we need to click on the audio like this and click on the audio again until the audio section is active, and then you can go to the audio effect. And here I'm just going to show you which of the effects we can use to make the audio sound muffled. You can scroll down until you find the microphone effect, this one guys. Okay, or actually you can choose this lo-fi effect to make your audio sound muffled. Okay, and the last one, you can also try this vinyl effect. Okay, and I think I prefer this microphone effect, so I'm gonna select the microphone and then we can click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our audio sound muffled in CapCut, or how to add muffled effect to our audio in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.